This is K-3. It has loop formers. I'm going to demonstrate loading it. We have a roll of film. Just scrap film. Start with a nice clean edge. Stick the film in here. It'll catch on. Go around through the gate, around the other side, and there we go. Now the top loop is a little bit short. That will happen sometimes. You can see it's not quite up against the loop former. It's a little bit too short. About a perf. Now when I push the loop former down, camera should run without making any strange noises. There it is. Let's do it again one more time. Take the end of your film, feed it in there, it'll catch on, go around, it should go under the film gate, around here, loop around and hit there and go in. Kind of like that. Usually at this point something like that will happen, or the film will hit and it'll bunch up in there. Generally won't work perfectly. So just lift this open, move this out a little bit, and we gotta try to push this through about like that. Close that up, press down to retract the loop formers. And there we go. That seems to be good. Went a little bit slow. Let me increase the speed a little bit. We would normally put the feed reel in there after we confirm that it's running properly, but that's basically it.